In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the downstream O2 sensor on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the interior trim. Just use a trim tool underneath here and just pop this up. And just grab this piece and you're going to pull it straight back. Slide that out of the way. For the carpet, there is a little button right here. You want to just use a trim tool. Just pop that out. Or a plastic trim tool. Pop that off. Then the carpet, pull the carpet back. And you can see where the connector is right here. You'll disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use the trim tool to push down on the tab and slide that off. So rubber grommet right here. Just grab that and you want to slide it through. If you need to, you can use a pocket screwdriver and slide this all the way out. Using an O2 sensor socket or a 22mm wrench. Loosen up the O2 sensor and unscrew it. Slide it out. Take the new sensor, get it threaded in. Now we're going to torque this to 30 foot-pounds. Slide the wire through the hole and push the grommet up. I push the grommet all the way through and then just grab it and just pull it just so it seals properly. Push some more of the wire up. Now connect the connector, lock it down, and take the carpet and just push it back in position. Now take this panel, line it up. Push it forward. Lock it down. Take the push pin, line that up. And lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.